Hello friends, welcome to Premier UPSC IAS. So this is the fourth lecture of Indian geography, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the mineral resources in India. What are minerals? Minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. In all stages of development, human beings have used minerals for their livelihood, decoration, festivities, religious and ceremonial rites. Even the food that we eat contain minerals. Geologists define mineral as homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Minerals are found in varied forms in nature, ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest talc. Rocks are combinations of homogeneous substances called minerals. Some rocks, for instance, limestone, consisting of single mineral only, but the majority of the rock consists of several minerals in varying proportions. A particular mineral that will be formed from a certain combination of elements depends upon the physical and chemical conditions under which the material forms. This in turn results in a wide range of colors, hardness, crystal forms, luster, and density that a particular mineral possesses. These properties are used to classify the minerals. Classification of minerals. Minerals, metallic and non-metallic. In the metallic, there are two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, those contain the iron, are iron, zinc, steel, etc. And non-ferrous, copper, bauxites, gold, etc. Non-metallic, organic, inorganic. In the organic, fuel minerals are coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. And inorganic are mica, graphite, limestone, etc. Characteristics of minerals. Minerals have certain characteristics such as these are unevenly distributed over space. There is an inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals, that is, good quality minerals are less in quantity as compared to low quality minerals. The third main characteristic is that all minerals are exhaustible over a period of time. Thus, they have to be conserved and not exploited as they do not have the second crop. Where are these minerals found? Minerals are usually found in ores. The term ore is used to describe an accumulation of any mineral mixed with other elements. The mineral content of the ore must be in sufficient concentration to make its extraction commercially viable. The type of formation or structure in which they are found determines the relative ease with which mineral ores may be mined. This also determines the cost of extraction. Minerals generally occur in the following forms. In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals may occur in the cracks, crevices, faults, or joints. So, first form is in igneous and metamorphic rocks. The smaller occurrences are called as veins, and the larger is called lodes. Major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, lead, etc. are obtained from the veins and lodes. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds or layers. They have been formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in horizontal strata. Coal and some forms of iron are or have been concentrated as a result of long periods under great heat and pressure. Another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash, salt, and sodium salt. These are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. Another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rocks and removal of soluble constituents, leaving a residual mass of weathered material containing ores. Oxide is formed this way, that is, by the decomposition of surface rocks and removal of soluble constituents. Certain minerals may occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and in the base of hills. These deposits are called placer deposits and generally contain minerals which are not corroded by water. Gold, silver, tin, and platinum are most important among such minerals, which occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and the base of hills. The ocean waters contain vast quantities of minerals, but most of these are too widely diffused to be of economic significance. However, common salt, magnesium, and bromine are largely derived from ocean waters. The ocean beds too are rich in manganese nodules. Rat hole mining. Most of the minerals in India are nationalized and their extraction is possible only after obtaining due permission from the government. But in most of the tribal areas of northeast India, minerals are owned by individuals or communities. In Meghalaya, there are large deposits of coal, iron ore, limestone, dolomite, etc. Coal mining in Jowai and Cherrapunji is done by a family member in the form of a long, narrow tunnel that is known as rat hole mining. Distribution of minerals in India. India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. However, these are unevenly distributed. The mineral resources provide the country with the necessary base for industrial development. Broadly speaking, peninsular rocks contain most of the reserves of coal, metallic minerals, mica, and many other non-metallic minerals. Most of the metallic minerals in India occur in the old crystalline rocks of the peninsular plateau region. Over 97% of the coal reserves occur in the valleys of Damodar, Mahanadi, Son, and Godavari. Petroleum reserves. Petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basins of Gujarat and Mumbai High, that is, offshore region in the Arabian Sea and in Assam. New reserves have been found in the Krishna, Godavari, and Kaveri basins. Rajasthan, with the rock systems of the peninsula, has reserves of many non-ferrous minerals. The vast alluvial plains of North India are almost devoid of economic minerals. These variations exist largely because of the differences in the geological structure, processes, and time involved in the formation of minerals. Minerals are generally concentrated in three broad belts in India. There may be some sporadic occurrences here and there in isolated pockets. These belts are the following: the northeastern plateau region, the southwestern plateau region, and the northwestern region. Mineral belt. Himalayan belt. Himalayan belt present in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Assam, and the minerals found in the Himalayan belt are copper, lead, zinc, bismuth, bauxite, antimony, nickel, cobalt, tungsten, precious stones, gold, silver, gypsum, limestone, dolomite. In the mineral belt, Chotanagpur belt. Chotanagpur belt is spread in the states Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. The minerals found in the Chotanagpur belt are coal, mica, manganese, chromite, ilmenite, bauxite, iron, copper, dolomite, china clay, limestone. Midland belt. The Midland belt covers the states of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Manganese, bauxite, mica, copper, graphite, limestone, lignite, and marble. Western belt. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Minerals found are copper, lead, zinc, uranium, mica, manganese, asbestos, precious stones, mineral oil, and natural gas. Southern belt. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Gold, iron ore, chromite, manganese, lignite, mica, bauxite, gypsum, asbestos, dolomite, ilmenite, limestone. Southwestern belt, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. Iron ore, ilmenite, zircon, monazite, garnet, bauxite, mica, limestone. Indian Ocean belt. continental shelf region of Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, mineral oil, natural gas. Conservation of minerals. The challenge of the sustainable development requires the integration of quest for the economic development along with the environmental concerns. Traditional methods of resource use results in generating an enormous quantity of waste as well as create other environmental problems. Hence, sustainable development calls for the protection of resources for future generations. There is an urgent and imminent need to conserve the resources. The alternative energy sources like solar power, wave, wind, geothermal energy are inexhaustible resources. These should be developed to replace the exhaustible resources. In the case of metallic minerals, the use of scrap metals will enable and promote the recycling of metals. Use of scrap is essentially significant in metals like lead, copper, and zinc, in which India's reserves are meager. Promoting the use of substitutes for such scarce materials may also reduce their consumption. Export of strategic and scarce minerals must be reduced so that the existing reserve may be utilized for a longer period. Major minerals. 1. Iron ore. India is endowed with abundant resources of iron ore. It has the largest reserve of iron ore in Asia. The two main types of iron ore found in our country are hematite and magnetite. Both have great demand in the international market due to its superior quality. The iron ore mines occur in close proximity to the coal fields in the northeastern plateau region of the country, which adds to their advantage. About 95% of total reserve of iron ore is located in the states of Karnataka, Goa, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. States mines types of iron and production. Karnataka, Chikmagalur, Baba Budan Hills, Kudremukh, Bellary, Sandur. These are the mines in Karnataka, and the types of iron are both hematite and magnetite. Almost 25% of the production occurs from these mines like Chikmagalur and Bellary. Odisha, Cuttack, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Bonaigarh, Koraput, Mayurbhanj, Badampahar. Type of iron, hematite 22%. Chhattisgarh, Bastar, that is Bailadila, Durg, Delhi Rajhara. Type of iron is hematite, production is 20%. Goa, North Goa, type of iron is magnetite, hematite, and the production is 16%. Jharkhand, Bonai Rane, Singham, Nawamandi, Daltonganj, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, Guru Mahisani. Both magnetite and hematite, almost 14% of the production. Manganese. Manganese is an important raw material for the smelting of iron ore and also used in the manufacturing of ferroalloys. Manganese deposits are found in almost all geological formations. However, it is mainly associated with Dharwar rock system. Odisha is a leading producer of manganese. Major mines in Odisha are located in the central part of the iron ore belt of India, particularly Sundargarh, Gangpur, Bonai, Kenduja, Koraput, Kalahandi, and Bolangir. Karnataka is the another major producer, and here the mines are located in Dharwad, North Canara, Bellary, Belagavi, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Chitradurga, and Tumkur. Maharashtra is also an important producer of manganese, which is mined in Bhandara, Nagpur, and Ratnagiri districts. The disadvantage to these mines is that they are located far from steel plants. The manganese belt of Madhya Pradesh extends in a belt in Balaghat, Chhindwara, Mandla, Nimar, and Jhabua districts. Goa, Telangana, and Jharkhand are other minor producers of manganese. Bauxite is a non-ferrous mineral. India has less non-ferrous metallic minerals except bauxite. Bauxite is the ore that is used in the manufacturing of aluminium. Bauxite is found mainly as tertiary deposits and is associated with laterite rocks, occurring extensively either on the plateau or hill ranges of peninsular India and also in the coastal tracts of our country. Odisha is the largest producer of bauxites. Kalahandi in and Sambalpur are the leading producers of bauxite in Odisha. The other two areas which have significant production are Bolangir and Koraput in the same state. The peatlands of Lohardaga in Jharkhand also have rich deposits. So let's continue. Once again, the other two areas which have significant production of the bauxite are Bolangir and Koraput in the same state. The peatlands of Lohardaga in Jharkhand also have rich deposits. Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra are other major producers. Bhavnagar and Jamnagar in Gujarat also have major deposits of bauxite. Chhattisgarh has bauxite deposits in Amarkantak Plateau, while Katni, Jabalpur area and Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh have major deposits of bauxites. Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka are minor producers of bauxites. Copper. Copper is an indispensable metal in the electrical industry used for making wires, electric motors, transformers, and generators. It is alloyable, malleable, and ductile metal. It is also mixed with gold to provide tensile strength to jewelry. The copper deposits mainly occur in Singhbhum district in Jharkhand, Jhunjhunu and Alwar districts in Rajasthan and Balaghat district in Madhya Pradesh. Minor producers of copper are the following: Chitradurga and Hassan districts, Karnataka; Agni-Gundala in Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh; and South Arcot district, Tamil Nadu. Gold. Gold, a precious metallic mineral, is commonly used in jewelry making. India has very limited reserves as of gold, therefore, India's annual production is low. Gold mines in the country are confined to a few areas like Kolar and Hatti in Karnataka, where mining is very expensive because the mines are among the deepest in the world. Mica. Mica is the important one among the non-metallic minerals produced in India. The other minerals extracted for local consumption are limestone, phosphate, and dolomite. Mica is mainly used in the electrical and electronic industries. It can be split into thin sheets which are both tough and flexible. Mica in India is produced in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, and Rajasthan, followed by Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh. Mica deposits also occur in Mysore and Hassan districts of Karnataka, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, Aleppi in Kerala, Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, Purulia and Bankura in West Bengal. Asbestos. The name asbestos denotes the combination of two different minerals, namely amphibole and chrysotile. Chrysotile accounts for 80% of asbestos of commercial use. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of asbestos in India. Diamond. The precious stone diamond, a metallic mineral, is used in making jewelry and also used to make various instruments. They are very hard, therefore, they are used in drilling hard rocks and cutting glasses. Production of diamonds happen at the following places in India: Panna mines of Madhya Pradesh and Golconda mines in Andhra Pradesh. It has reduced considerably in recent years. However, the diamond processing industry is well developed in Surat, Gujarat, due to which India imports diamonds for processing and exports the processed diamonds. Limestone. Limestone is used for a variety of purposes in the following industries: cement industry, maximum use; iron and steel industry, and chemical industries. However, limestone is also used in industries like paper, sugar, glass, rubber, fertilizers, and ferromanganese. Over three-fourths of the total limestone production in India is from six states: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. Dolomite. Limestone with more than 10% of magnesium is called dolomite. True dolomite has about 45% of magnesium content. Dolomite is used in iron and steel industry more than 90%, followed by fertilizers 4%, Glass industry 2% and steel industry only uses 1%. Chhattisgarh is the leading producer of dolomite, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and also exists in the other states.